My name is Hayden Miyamoto. I am the founder and CEO of Acquira.
My name is Doug Thorpe. I'm the Director of Integration and Leadership at Acquira.
We're currently in Fort Lauderdale, and we are doing an acquisition entrepreneur workshop for people who have gotten to a certain milestone in finding a business.
My name is Rich Coppage. I'm the Director of Transaction Advisory Services for Acquira. I help AEs go from the post letter of intent phase all the way through to the close.
Hi, my name is Mize, and I'm from Philadelphia. I'm hoping to learn more about kind of the specifics of putting together a deal, $1 million plus EBITDA range, through the Acquira workshop.
The Acquira team is meeting with AEs to help them understand the full, I guess you could call it pipeline process of what it means to acquire a business and have a successful transition.
My name is Alan Thomas, and I am from Atlanta, Georgia. I thought the workshop was great. It was extremely informative. It was a lot of information, discuss deals that we had looked at, what we might be looking for.
My name is Alejandra Barrera, and I'm an M&A account manager. What can describe a possible business acquisition?
Just to give them a perspective on how we look at deals, how they should look at deals, kind of some of the considerations that they really need to focus on when actually acquiring a business and post-acquisition.
My name is Todd Neely from Houston, Texas. It's been extremely insightful. Learned a lot of good ideas, things that I hadn't even thought about in regards to just even evaluating the opportunity on the front end, and then today, so far, just talking about some of the integration and what it's like to take a company to be truly management-led. Very excited about it.
Hi, my name is Asphalt Couture, and I'm from Denver, Colorado. I've recently joined Acquira and diving into the training platform, and meeting the Acquira team here has been a wonderful experience. They care, they want to help.
Well, my name is Alfonso Moncada, and I am from Miami. I think what they put together here, it's kind of a mini master's in business administration, but with a lot more value because it's targeted to what you really need to have to make this happen.
This workshop is one other form of opportunity we give our AE clients to come together as a group, take advantage of some kind of peer-to-peer exchange, ask questions of the Acquira team, share experiences with each other, and really expand their understanding of the whole journey.
Well, we would hope that they would understand that the acquisition process, while being daunting, can actually be simplified and done in a systematic way.
So I think that's something that's unique and not as common in kind of this world of acquisition.
My name is Harold Poston, and I am from Northern Virginia, outside of Washington, D.C. I think Acquira's training and program has been really great for me. They lay out some very clear lesson plans, and they also provide some very valuable templates that get you to think about how to evaluate opportunities as you're looking at them, how to view businesses.
My hope is that they will have confidence in pursuing a deal and closing a deal. One statistic I always open the workshop with, which is true, is that when we do one of these workshops, within 6 months, typically half the people who attended will have closed on a business. So I hope that to continue to be true, and I hope people to forge relationships with the other acquisition entrepreneurs that'll last years to come.
And I hope everybody will come away with a deeper understanding of the real challenge it may be to be an entrepreneur by acquisition, but also know that there's plenty of support, there's plenty of experience they can draw on to help them be successful.